What makes dhaba chowmein taste so amazingly delicious? And is it even possible to recreate that same flavor at home with simple ingredients available in every kitchen? Well, the answer is yes. Today, we are making veg chowmein that tastes even better than your favorite dhaba chowmein. And since you are making it at home, you control the quality of ingredients, the amount of oil, and everything that goes into your food. It is fresh, tasty, and packed with flavors that everyone will love. So without wasting time, let's start making this delicious veg chowmein. Let's start with 8 simple ingredients that you'll need to make this dhaba style veg chowmein. Along with these ingredients, you'll also need a few khade masale to bring in that bold Indian street style flavor. First, you will need chowmein noodles. For this recipe, I am using healthy whole wheat noodles. You can easily find them online or in any good grocery store. Then we have properly chopped cabbage. You will need around 200 to 300 grams of it, but you can always increase or decrease the quantity according to your taste. Then we have properly sliced onions. For 300 grams of cabbage, you will need around 2 big onions. In the same way, slice and dice 1 medium-sized capsicum. This will add a nice crunch, fresh flavor, and a little color to our veg chowmein. Then, vertically slice half a carrot to add a subtle hint of sweetness, color, and texture. I have also added finely chopped French beans. They give a nice bite and make the chowmein feel more fresh and balanced. Then we have a few fresh coriander leaves and a few green chillies, sliced from the center, for that fresh aroma and light spicy kick. Lastly, we have a few sachets of chowmein masala. These are nothing special. They came with the noodles packet, and we will use them to bring that familiar street-style chowmein flavor. In step 1, we will boil the noodles. This step is pretty simple, but we still need to be a little careful. We don't want to cook the noodles completely. We want the noodles to stay slightly firm, because they will cook a little more later while mixing with the vegetables and sauces. If the noodles become too soft at this stage, the final chowmein will turn sticky and messy, and nobody likes that. So after around 5 minutes, take one noodle strand and pinch it. If it breaks easily without much force, it is ready. Immediately drain the hot water and rinse the noodles with ice-cold water to stop the cooking process. In step 2, we will prepare the base masala for our veg chowmein. First, add rice bran oil to the pan. Once it heats up, add a few khade masale like 2 cloves, half a teaspoon of jeera, and half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper. This will give our chowmein a nice warm aroma and that Indian street style flavor. Once you start getting that beautiful khushbu from the khade masale, add the chopped onions to the pan. Cook them slowly on medium heat until they lose their moisture and turn brown to slightly dark brown in color. In step 3, we will prepare the sabzi for our veg chowmein. This is where all the magic happens, because the vegetables, masala, and sauces come together to create that proper dhaba style flavor. First, add the chopped cabbage to the pan and let it cook slightly so it releases most of its moisture. Once the cabbage starts to soften, add the capsicum and cook it again for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the chowmein masala that came with your noodles packet. If you like, you can also add a little chaat masala and pizza masala for enhanced flavor and a more street style taste. Next, add around 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste for that strong aroma and bold desi flavor. Now add a mix of 3 sauces in equal quantity: tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, and tomato sauce. Along with that, add 1 spoon of vinegar to balance out the sweetness from the sauces. Now add the sliced carrot and chopped French beans to complete the vegetable mix. These will add a nice crunch, fresh color, and a little sweetness to our veg chowmein. Now again add a little bit of chowmein masala mixed with half a teaspoon of red chili powder to bring that unique spicy and tangy flavor. Add salt according to your taste, but be careful because the masala and sauces already contain some salt. For the final step, close the lid and let everything cook in its own steam for around 5 more minutes. For the last step, add the boiled noodles to the pan. Now gently mix everything together so the noodles get properly coated with the sabzi, masala, and sauces. Be gentle while mixing because we don't want to break the noodles. Once everything is well combined, cook it for 1 to 2 more minutes on medium heat and our Dhaba Style Veg Chowmein is ready to serve. Garnish your veg chow mein with fresh coriander leaves. This adds a fresh aroma and makes the chow mein look even more tempting. And that's it. Our Dhaba style veg chow mein is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!